If you've ever wanted to play custom games on Discord with your friends, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch Discord activities, start built-in games, and invite people to join in just a few clicks. This is a super fun way to turn any voice channel into a game night, whether you want to play Wordle, poker, chess, or other built-in activities together. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open Discord and sign into your account. If you're using the desktop app, mobile app, or browser version, the steps are very similar, so just follow along with whatever device you have open right now. Once you're signed in, the next step is to join or create a server where you want to play games. If you already have a server with your friends, go ahead and open that one. If not, you can create a new server in just a few seconds and invite the people you want to play with. After you're inside the server, look for a voice channel. This is where Discord activities work, because games are launched directly from the voice chat area. Click on a voice channel to join it, and make sure you're connected before moving to the next step. Now that you're in the voice channel, look for the Activities icon. This is the different shapes icon you'll see in the voice channel controls. It's usually easy to spot once you're connected, and this is the button that opens Discord's built-in games and activities. Click that Activities icon to bring up the list of available games. You'll see a menu with different options, and this is where you can choose the game you want to play. Depending on what's available in your region or on your account, you may see games like Wordle, poker, chess, and other fun activities. Take a moment to browse the list and pick the one that sounds best for your group. Once you've selected a game, click Start Activity. Discord will launch the game inside the voice channel, and it will be ready for everyone else in the room to join. This is what makes it so easy, because you don't need to download a separate app or set up anything complicated. After the activity starts, the final step is to invite your friends to join the voice channel. You can send them an invite directly, tag them in chat, or ask them to hop into the server and voice channel with you. As soon as they join, they'll be able to see the game and start playing right away. If everyone is in the channel, you can begin the game and have fun together in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to play custom games on Discord using activities. It only takes a few clicks, and once you've done it once, it becomes incredibly easy to set up again anytime you want to play with friends. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Discord guides, gaming tips, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.